Hey everybody, this is Mr. Kunkel. I just want to make y'all a quick review for y'all's laws of logarithms. I posted some exercises online for our kind of weekly work. So this is just kind of a brief review. I'm going to leave these up for a minute. You can screenshot these, or I'll try to upload them to the Remind. But remember, if we have a logarithm where we're multiplying log base b of m times m, we can rewrite that as log base b m plus log base b n. Log base b of m over n, remember these are subtracted, so this is log of m minus log of n. And then log 3, log base b m equals log base b n if and only if m is equal to n. This one is really more important whenever we're talking about like log base b of x, say, is equal to log base b of 5. Ignore that one, that was a mistake. A little out of practice, it's been a while. So this one, so log base b m equals log base b n. If m equals n, this is log base b x equals log base b 5. So they're both the same log base. So in this case, we know x is equal to 5. If they have the same bases for logarithms, then we can set these equal to each other. So m equals n, and here x equals 5. And you could expand that into stuff like, this is more along the lines of stuff you'll see. Log base b2 of, or let's do log base b, or log base 2 of 3x equals log base 2 of 6. And in this case, you would say 3x equals 6. And then x equals 2, because you divide by 3. So a lot of times it'll set up more equations that you need to solve. Last one, log base b of m to the k equals k log b of m for any real number k. That's basically saying if you have log of 2 of x squared, we can rewrite that as 2 log base 2 of x, and then vice versa. 2 log base 2 of x is the same as log base 2 x squared. So that's your laws of logarithms. That's just kind of a quick review. I wanted to show you one or two more examples. Let me get a blank piece of paper. Because remember, we use this to solve equations. So let's say we have log base 2 of 16 minus 3 log base 2 of 2 is equal to x. So now we're going to use those laws and we're going to condense this and then solve it. So we know this could become log base 2 of 16, and we're minus, so we know it's going to be on bottom, log base 2, and this is 2 to the third power. So 16 minus log base 2, this means these two are being divided. So 16 divided by 2, but this 3 is in front of our log here. So this 3 comes up, and our 2 comes to the third power, and that's equal to x. You can rewrite that as log base 2, 16 over 2 to the third. 2 to the third we know is equal to 8. 16 over 8 gives us 2 is equal to x. Remember when we talk about logarithms, we read these as 2 to the x equals, if we were writing this as exponents, 2 to the x equals 2. You could also at this point key in log, oh, hold on. There it is. Log base 2 of 2, and you get 1. And we know 2 to the 1, or 2 to the x would be equal to 2 to the 1, so x would equal to, this is from our exponents, x equals 1. Let me make sure that's showing up. Yeah, okay. One last example. we'll say log base 3 of x plus 2 log base 3 of 3 equals 3 log base 3 of 3. Sorry, it's kind of slanted. It's hard to write straight across. But let's see. So these are being added, so we know these are multiplied. So this becomes log base 3. This is x times 3 squared. These two are being multiplied because of the plus, and then this 3 is being squared because of the 2 in front. And then this is equal to log base 3 of 3 to the third. Let's condense this. Log base 3 of 9x equals log base 3 of 27. And remember, if we have two logarithms with the same base, we can set these equal to each other. So we can say 9x equals 27 divided by 9, x is equal to 3. So if you're having any trouble with anything, feel free to reach out on me on Remind through Google Classroom. Send me an email. Email is nkunkel@baycityisd.org. Email or Remind is the best way to reach me. Google Classroom, I get to those eventually. I can only check certain grade levels. So if you do want to get a hold of me, do the email nkunkel@baycityisd.org or send me something on Remind. I don't actually have the Remind code. I'll post that with the video in the description. But other than that, hope everybody's being safe, and y'all have a good day.